Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by getting the device ready and avoiding interruptions. First, plug in the charger or confirm battery is above 20% so it won't die mid-check. Then sign in with the main owner account. Guest mode often hides device details. Once signed in, flip the unit or inspect the keyboard bezel and original box so you can compare labels. This saves time when you need physical serials. Now move directly to System Info for the quickest digital lookup. You'll now use the operating system to locate the serial. Open Settings, then go to About Chrome OS and choose Additional Details. That section lists device identifiers. Scan for the entry labeled serial number under Device or Diagnostics. That's the official value for warranty and support. If it's not visible, go to Chrome//System, expand the relevant entries, or enable developer info in settings to reveal hardware identifiers. Make sure to copy the value exactly, including hyphens if present. Finish by confirming the serial with a physical check so you have a backup. Turn the Chromebook over and examine the bottom sticker, inside the battery compartment, under the keyboard bezel, or the original box for a printed serial. If the OS shows N/O or blank, reboot and sign in as the owner. If necessary, boot recovery mode or run Chrome//System again. If stickers are damaged, save proof of purchase and contact the manufacturer with the model to retrieve registration info. That usually resolves sticker failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.